This morning, Missourians are reeling from an intense 24 hours.
That's right. Governor Greitens is now in his last days of office after turning his resignation. His last day will be Friday, but it does not end there, that's for sure.
That's right. Our legal expert, David Langston, is with us this morning to break down what's next for the governor. Good morning. Thanks for waking up early with us. Now, what is or what should be Greitens' biggest concern as he wakes up this morning?
I think he has several. First of all, Jackson County prosecutor that's been appointed special prosecutor in the case dealing with the invasion of privacy has made it clear yesterday that she is going to continue with her investigation. She is going to arrive at a decision about what, if any, charges should be filed. So I think he should be concerned about that. She has made it clear that no deals were made based on his resignation. We're going to hear more details later today about the plea bargain that was struck or the dismissal, as I've heard of the charges for the computer tampering charge out of St. Louis.
You know, this has been such an adventure. It's been going on for so long, and we haven't seen Greitens back down until yesterday. Took a lot of people by surprise. Is it coincidence at all that it happened right after a campaign consultant testified saying that he was personally asked to use that donor list from Greitens' charity? Do you think this maybe, made him jump over that ledge to say, all right, I'm calling it quits?
I think that's very possible. I think that there were still things coming out. We heard yesterday about dark money that may have been used during the campaign that was not properly reported. There could be federal campaign finance law violations. The FBI is looking into that. All of the testimony that was heard before the special committee leading up to a vote for impeachment or not is going to all be part of the public record, and the FBI will be looking into that. So, yes, that most certainly could have been a problem. I also think the long weekend, a chance to meet with his advisors, to meet with his family, to sit down and really take stock of where he was and where he was hoping to go.
Some talks were happening, you think?
I'm sure they were. I'm sure between his advisors, his lawyers, and his family.
You were talking before about Kim Gardner. Do you think the resignation is part of a deal with her?
Well, I don't know that she will say that. From what I have heard, and it has been reported, I think she's going to release it later today, that the charges against him that she is still prosecuting will be dismissed for the computer tampering using the donor list from The Mission Continues to use for political contributions.
Okay. David, thank you so much for joining us. I know it was an early wake-up call for you, but certainly it's what everybody's talking about today and what we will be talking about till Friday.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.